Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these carrot cupcakes. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to make your buttermilk. So take your milk, add in your vinegar and give it a brief mix. Then set aside until needed a little later on. Into a large mixing bowl, you'll want to go ahead and add in your light brown sugar, followed by your flour. Not forgetting to add in your spices and your bicarbonate of soda, and just give them a brief mix until they are roughly combined. Once they're combined, you can then go ahead and add in the buttermilk that we made a little earlier on, followed by the vanilla extract and the oil, and then give it all a good mix on a low speed to start with, working out to a medium-high speed, and mix until you have what looks like a kind of chunky batter. Once you've got that, you can then go ahead and add in the carrots. Don't worry, as you add the carrots in, the water will release from them and it will make it look like a more traditional carrot cake batter, and that's what you're looking for. Once you've mixed and it's a good consistency, you can then go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down. This is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in. Then divide the cake mixture between your cases. I made 9 cupcakes for this, but feel free to double the recipe if you want to get more, or whatever you want to do. I used a half batch of my regular recipe because I didn't need as many. But again, I will leave the recipe that will make 9 in the description that will be linked down below. Once they're baked, you can go ahead and top them with some cream cheese. I've made cream cheese in videos before, so if you want to know how to make that, I will leave it linked below, but I will also leave the full recipe in the description, so don't forget to check it out if you are interested. You can pipe on top however you would like, but I just went with a simple swirl, as really you can't really go wrong with just a classic swirl. Top those with some sprinkles that I got while I was on holiday in the US, and then that was it. It was good to go. And you know, a carrot cupcake is really simple. Why mess with it? It doesn't need to be. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and a link to my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.